If you want to open Game Turbo or Game Assistant on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, what you can do is you can open the game, and then usually here on the left side you can find like a bar or something like that. So you can swipe towards the middle of the phone in order to open the Game Assistant. At first you will have this welcome message, so you can press agree and continue, and then over here you can start using the Game Turbo or Game Assistant. You can also switch to performance over here in case you are looking for these options, and of course we also have some additional tools that you want to go through probably. Besides that, what you can also do in addition to that is we can of course go ahead and open the app that we have in the app drawer that is called Game Assistant. And there we go. Now in here we can find, for example, our games that we can easily run. Here in the upper left corner we have these 3 lines, and you can find some additional settings that you might want to go through, like some of the features over here and so on and so forth. There are also some performance settings that you can go through in case you want to do that before you start playing a game. In some cases you might need to grant some additional permissions. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.